Now I'm going to create different things in the masters. First we need to go to masters, then click on class. The class list will come. If it is not there, then you can create. Click on new, class 3. So if it is class 1, you can create class 1. Engineering, you can create CSC, all these. If you are junior college, you can create CEC junior, CEC senior, or CEC first year, CEC second year, something like that. Okay. Then click on save. To create sections, you need to go to section. Then click on new. So if you want to create a section, you can create a type A. Okay. Since already created, I don't want to repeat it. Now I am creating C. For you need to create a section. Click on save. Next, to create year. This is academic year. Okay, you can call it as a batch also. Code AY 2026-27. See, as per your requirement, if it is 2027, 2028, you can create like that. Then I'm typing 2026 to 27. So you can see, if the star is not there, it is not mandatory. So you need not enter. I'm going to enter the description. Then I'm creating 1st June 2026 to 31st May 2027. If you are using CBSE syllabus, then your dates will be different, and if you are using in different country, as per your requirement, you change it. If you are going to use this software for this academic year, then you need to set this set as current year. If it is next year, then you need to change it. Forget about that. Once you provide the details, you click on save. Once you click on save, your academic year will be created. Next, class section year mapping. We have created class sections. Here we are going to map these 3. Since I have already mapped a section, I am going to map another section. Class A, section B, academic year. Click on save. So whatever you have saved, it will come here. Next, category creation. To create a category, just go to new, click on BC, whatever category you want. See, criteria is not mandatory. Keep always is active. Save.
These are just basics to experience AI-powered school and college ERP software. Book a live demo now.